I'm Stephen Kraus, here at Eustis Roofing. Currently, my role is primarily, doing, repair estimates. So what that really means is, when a customer comes in, whether they express an issue or a leak, we obviously take a look at that, address certain things. I'm one of the first people that go out to situate that leak. And so what I do is I develop that relationship with the homeowner or the customer. Here you can see we're a commercial building. I think oftentimes what happens is, people try to sell versus develop a relationship. And so it's kind of like almost like a vibe or a feeling that the homeowner gets saying that they're going to be taken care of. The expectation is set properly to where now they're taken care of. Everything plays out the way that we say it plays out, and they know that if anything goes wrong, because things happen in the construction industry all the time, that we're constantly going to be there and give them not only the roof that they paid for, but that they deserve as well. You can drive past a certain company and see the bling, see all the trucks left and right, but what you don't see is the family-run business to where they're making decisions, bouncing back and forth off of one another to make the right decision for people. What I realized since I've been working for Eustis Roofing is oftentimes businesses make decisions based on their wallet. But now it's for the homeowner's best interest, and if you take care of the homeowner, they'll take care of you.